Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to customize mouse and touchpad in Windows 11. So firstly go to Settings app, right click on Start menu, go to Settings, in left pane click on the Bluetooth and devices, and here you will have mouse and touchpad buttons. Firstly I will adjust my touchpad. Here I have the only option to adjust sensitivity of touchpad, but I will see a lot more options by clicking more touchpad settings. Here in Buttons menu, I can set some options for my touchpad. You can click through it by yourself. And in Device Settings, I will have, by clicking here on my touchpad and clicking Settings, I will have a lot of more new options. You can click through it and maybe find something you need. So these were settings of our touchpad. I will go to Bluetooth and go to my mouse, and here we have more options like primarily key of button, mouse, a mouse pointer, and some other options. You can also click on the additional mouse settings and you will see the same mouse properties, and you can click here to reveal hardware and pointer options if you need this. And you can also see here mouse pointer, click on it, and here you can adjust style and size of your pointer. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and the most important thing, have a great day.